Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by powering down and removing any power sources so you don't short anything. Once done, remove visible torque screws and place them in a labeled container. This keeps track of lengths. Use a plastic spudger to separate the seams. Apply steady pressure rather than forcing it because clips can shear. As you lift the shell, make note of where ribbon cables sit. You'll need that orientation later. This gets you from powered unit to an open shell ready for button removal. Once the shell is open, you'll see the button plate and any PCB beneath it. You should remove any screws holding the plate. Carefully unclip the plastic retaining tabs with a spudger. Work around the perimeter so the plate pops free evenly. This prevents cracking. If the A/B/X/Y buttons sit on a separate rubber membrane, lift it straight up and set aside. If micro switches or contacts are soldered, desolder each pad quickly and cleanly. Excessive heat can lift traces, so work efficiently. To finish, reinstall the button membrane or modules, making sure each button aligns with its housing and moves freely. Once seated, reconnect any ribbon cables and lightly test button travel before closing the shell. This saves repeats. Tighten screws progressively and evenly. If a button fails after reassembly, remove the shell and inspect the contact surface and ribbon. Clean with isopropyl alcohol, receipt connectors, or reflow suspicious solder joints. That troubleshooting step fixes most non-mechanical.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.